Today we'll be cleaning up the city with Dash and his friends using the Go app on our iPads. When you open the app, hit the play button and it will open up to the 5 tabs. Before we get started with our activity, we need to make sure that you are connected to the correct robot. There will either be a plus sign or a picture of a robot in the top right corner. Press that button and it will begin searching. You need to make sure that your robot is circled in green with a check mark. If not, press the correct one with its name and number. It can be found on your iPad and on the back of your robot. I'm using Dash number 4. Once you are connected, hit the white X and it will take you back to the main screen. Now it is time to start the activity. Dash and his friends are bulldozers and will be driving around town collecting trash and taking it to the dump, which is in the middle of your rectangle. Using the yellow motion tab, you will be able to move him around easily. Placing your finger on the thumbstick, you can move him forwards, backwards, turn him left, and turn him right. You can also hold your finger to the side to make him turn in a circle. We'll be keeping him at speed number 2, which is in the middle to have better control. Everyone will have a set amount of time to collect as much trash as they can from the 4 corners of the rectangle. The robot will start in the middle and go to each area to pick up trash and bring it back to the dump. Once the timer sounds, the team will reset the area for the next driver by placing the colored cubes back into the corners and the robot in the middle of the dump. Then the next driver will begin their turn. We will continue the rounds until all of the team has had a chance to drive. Now that you know how to do our activity, we are ready to open the Go app and have fun with Dash and his friends.